Hello everyone and welcome back. So today I will guide you through how to use judge.me for Shopify. So this is really great for getting your reviews, adding product reviews, store reviews, and simply going through spams and archives. So how do you actually get judge.me is really simple. All you need to do is simply head over to your app store inside Shopify. From search, you can head over to your apps, and there you can search for judge.me and install it. Installing is really simple. Once you install it, you can see we have two sections. We have judge.me reviews, we have reviews settings. So if you want to add reviews, you can simply import reviews using this option. You have multiple different sections to import from. Like for example, we have Etsy, AliExpress, Amazon, Meta, and much more. You can see on the left side if you have multiple different other settings as well. So you can see it is currently having request reviews. If you want to request those, we have request scheduled, email templates. So the great thing is you can also manage your products in here. So you can see we have this product, and we can review request settings and product review group settings. So multiple different settings are available. So yeah, it also depends on the plan that you have. If you want to simply use the widgets, and for the reviews we have those as well. You can install these and apply it onto your store. You can install these and it is going to be simply showing up onto your store. You can see we are onto our storefront right now, and the review widget is displayed over here, and let's just see how it is looking. And yeah, so basically now, so yeah, here you can see the reviews are added. And yeah, so this is, you can totally customize these as well. From the backend section, you can see you can change its color. This is the, of course, the front end section. If you jump back, you can see we have customize option, and you can apply any kind of modifications that you want from this setting. So we have currently showing up this kind of data, the sample. You can add a real data as well. So this is how you can use judge.me, and I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.